Hi, my name is Ankit Gupta. I am pursuing integrated MCA from IPS Academy Indore. My project name is QTask. Let me remember. There is a famous line of Winston Churchill who said, "Those who plan do better than those who do not plan, even though they rarely stick to their plan." This means that the work which is planned and then executed is much more fruitful than the work which is unplanned. Even if we rarely follow the plan, but the planned work is much more fruitful. What we will see in this project is the introduction of the project, objective of the project, why to build this project, technology used to build this project, some features of the application, and some of the snapshot of the running application. Introduction to the project. A simple and easy to use web application. This website is a very simple and easy to understand UI of this website. The project is built for listing out all our the task, so that we do not remember all the task at all the time. We just need to add the task to the site and forget about that. Whenever we require, we just open the site and see the what which tasks are remaining to be executed. We don't need to remember all the tasks at all the time. Next one is the objective of the project. Doing mistakes is the nature of the human. So what if we forgot about the deadline of the project? What if you forgot about the some code in the module, to change some code in the module? And there are a lot of things which the human can forget in an industry. So there are so many reasons which will tell us that the project is an requirement and need to the industry to remember and to manage all your tasks in an efficient manner. The technology used to build this project is first one is the React.js for the front end development. React.js is a popular and more widely used JavaScript library for building front end. The component based rendering is done in React.js, and it is used for single page applications. For the backend, the Django, a Python web framework, is used, and for the database, SQLite relational DBMS is used. Features of the application. It is a single page application because React is used, and which is a component based rendering. Uh, screens uh, Screens or functions to add, delete, and edit tasks are provided. We can set the due date for the task. The application is built with the React and Django, which are the latest technologies. The UI is simple and easy to use. Everyone can understand. Um, Either the technical or non-technical person can understand the UI and the application. The screenshots for the website. First one is the initial screen, which is the first page which load after we open the site. The task One task is added in this screenshot, whose due date is 7 June 2020, and the task name is submit the code in zip file to HackerEarth Hackstack 1.0, and two buttons are provided to edit and delete the task. I am going to editing the task, so I click on the edit button. The task is open in the input fields. After editing, I submitted the task, which is updated in the task list. Now I am adding one more task, work on the next project, and whose due date is 5 June 2020. I have deleted the task which I added in the second turn. Future scope. This is a simple project, just like adding and deleting and performing only CRUD operations. We can implement in future we can implement a login and logout system, mainly means authentication system, and we can personalize the website to every employee. Every employee has a separate and personal task list. More features like searching and searching by the tags and sorting by the dates, etc., can be introduced in the site. An alert system can be introduced if the deadline of the project is near, if the deadline of the project is after 5 days, then and before 5 days we can uh, alert the employee that the deadline of this project is coming near. What I learned from this project: this the website is built using two different technologies. One is the JavaScript library from, and another one is the Python library. So to integrating two different technologies to build a much more efficient and fruitful application, I learned basics of React and Django, fetching data from the backend asynchronously, structured data like JSON format, and working of the REST API, etc. Transferring of JSON format from the backend to the front end, and uh, presenting that data to the user. Thank you very much. Project presentation by Ankit Gupta. Thank you.